video about affiliate marketing and how you can start affiliate marketing. If you're interested in doing affiliate marketing online or you've already dabbled with it, this video is going to be all about that and how you can get started and maybe what the best angle of attack is for your online marketing efforts. So my channel is all about affiliate marketing and reviewing different affiliate products and all sorts of tips and strategies. So please, if you like what you hear, please subscribe, like, and ring that bell because I'll be coming out with more and more videos that are just going to add so much value for you guys that are listening to this, that are looking at affiliate marketing, already do affiliate marketing, and want to learn how to start affiliate marketing or take it to the next level. Now, basically, in a nutshell, just because I don't know the background of you guys listening on the video here, you may be very new to this, and you may be a little bit experienced, but either I'm going to be very basic here. Affiliate marketing is basically learning how to promote, sell, and market other people's products. Now, there's various platforms online where you can do that from. You can do it from anywhere in the world, and there's different affiliate marketing platforms. I'm with a platform at the moment, ClickBank. If you've heard of that, it's a digital marketing place. Just type in clickbank.com. and it'll take you there. You can sign up and get a free account, and away you go. You can just pretty much start and open up an account for free. There's no cost, and it's a digital marketing place for the most part. They do have some physical products in there, mainly supplements, and you can go through, which I'll show you later, and how to pick a product and then start promoting it online. But just before I do that, I just wanted to show you some of my earnings with ClickBank, just to show you that I'm just not going to be on someone here that hasn't made any money, but I've certainly made some money with affiliate marketing. ClickBank is not my main source. I have other affiliate platforms that I work from, and ClickBank's just one of them. So, but I've been doing this for over 10 years off and on, and this is something that I do all the time online, and pretty much show others how to sell other products online, how they can have success and make some money online. So with that said and done, yeah, as you can see, there's $1,500 there that I've earned nearly selling other people's products. That's all it is. And basically with affiliate marketing, it's just you get a commission. So if the product's worth $97, they might pay you 50% of that. So you might get $47 or $45 commission. If the product's $50 and they pay you 60%, you're going to get about $31 thereabouts. So again, you can look up all these details, and I'll go through that on this at the moment. So with that with that said, we can go into marketplace here. And if you're on ClickBank, if you've already joined up, you can follow me through with this. But basically down on the side, you've got all these categories, okay, that you can pick from. Now I'm using ClickBank because everyone's probably familiar with it. You've probably already heard of it. You've probably watched the video about it. Like I said, there's other platforms that I use that are just as good products you have to go through and find. But basically, what do you do? What's step one do you do? Well, you've got to find a product that's, that is a popular product. What would be my recommendations? Find a niche, first of all, and I will say the top niches to get into are make money online, okay? Any make money online, highly competitive, but a lot of people are looking and searching for ways to make money online. How-tos, health and fitness, weight loss, all that kind of niche is very big. People want to learn how to look after their health better in natural ways, lose weight, and all that kind of thing. And relationships. People are big on how do I repair this relationship, dating, techniques, getting their ex back, all that kind of stuff. Those kind of products will sell well, and online mentoring and coaching programs. So you want to go through whatever platform you start on. You want to look for these three basic categories. Now, just for instance, let's go into, I'm mainly in the make money online niche. That's where I've made my money and continue to make my money. But let's have a look at the health and fitness lead, because I know the people that make a lot of money in this niche as well. And here you've got all your products that relate to health and fitness. And you can go through and sort these by rank and by gravity or average sale. So you can see here that this one here is a supplement offer, actually. and you can go to the sales page, and down here you can see that you get the average sale is $117. Right? So how do you promote that on site? So they're going to give you a percentage of that. That's obviously a percentage. That's just the average sale. So there's 360 or 30 odd people that have promoted this product at any one time in the last few months that are making sales. So you know this product's selling. It's got stats there. It's got a gravity over, and gravity, guys, just in a nutshell, to keep basically, it's just how many people have been promoting and made sales with the product in the last couple of months or 3 months, I think it is. It's a certain time frame. And ClickBank put that there to show you. Now, anything above 30, 50, 60 gravity is really good because you know the product's selling. It's actually selling. Now, the idea behind it is that once you find a good product, how do I sell it? Well, if you go into some of these tools they give you, there's some really great resources, and you can sign up and get the details and go in there and start promoting the product. So let me just go down. I think there's another one down here. Let's have a look. Some of them have some great tools and resources. Now you can go and start promoting this online through, and what I'll do is I'll start with giving you some free methods online and then a couple of paid methods. It's up to you. But basically, in a nutshell, what you want to do is go into get all the resources you can. You've got email swipes here. You've got your actual affiliate link, landing page options, Facebook ad resources, and commission details and how much you're going to get paid. A little bit about the product. It looks like this is a supplement tonic that they drink. So you can get all the information you need off these resources here. And you can grab your affiliate link here. Now with ClickBank, you'll get an ID that you have to put in, and you'll put your ID in there and say mine's that, and then agree, and agree, and then generate your link, and there's your link, right? Put your ID in there that you signed up with Manatech. Now, if you want to go one step further and you want to track that, you can say I'm advertising on Facebook, generate that, and it puts Facebook in there, copy that. And if I go over here, paste this link into my browser, that the page should come up. It'll have my affiliate ID in there. So you can see access 6, there's my affiliate ID. So I know that if anyone joins up through my link, then it will come through to the page. Now, I think some of these products you have to be whitelisted. So I'm not whitelisted for this product. So what that means is you just contact the affiliate owner and just email them and just say, I would really love to promote your product. Maybe just say something about the product that you really like. I'm new at this. I'd love to be a really chance to be able to promote this. Have you any more resources, and please give me access to promote. Now, not all the products on here will you require to do that. It's only some. It's only some. Some vendors require people to contact them to ask permission. They only want so many people to keep the competition narrow and to make sure that people are promoting it the right way. So that's the first step. Pick a product, pick a niche that you're really into and that you like, and then pick a product. Okay, drill down. Now you'll have to do your research, and I've got more videos about that on what products you can promote. Second step is you need to find a way to promote it. Now the easiest way and the freest way that'll cost you just time is either Facebook or YouTube. Now, I would point you towards YouTube at this stage. Facebook is a great place to start too. It's free. You can put up a page, a profile page there, all about your health and weight loss page, and just make a profile that pretty much just invite people to join that profile. Don't have your affiliate link in there at this stage. That's what you don't want to do. Facebook don't like affiliate links. If you paste this ugly looking link in there, where it was, get your hop link. If you paste that ugly looking link in there, Facebook won't allow that. Okay, or they'll just make it hard for you on Facebook. So they've got a lot more rules. Facebook a little bit more tricky, okay, to get by. And you want to go and get a real domain, guys. If you've picked a niche and you're happy to go in the health and fitness league, a domain, if you don't know what that is, a domain, all you want to do is go over to a place like Namecheap, okay? This is where you buy a domain name like billybob.com, whatever you want to call it, and you start searching in there, and you put in something related to the health and weight loss niche or something like that. loseweightnaturally.com, lose weight the best way to, and some of these will and won't be available, and you can pay only $7 to $10 for a year, or for a few years. So it's not going to cost you much. It costs you as low as $4 or $5. And then what you do is you grab this link that you're pretty well sold on with this product. You want to promote this and make some money out of it, and you forward once you got your domain, you get that link forwarded to that affiliate. Okay, so when you put that up on Facebook or wherever you post it, it looks like a proper domain. It looks like, so for example, my domain is right. I've got my domain benjamesmentoring.com, and this is my landing page here. I've teamed up with a 7-figure affiliate marketer who's my mentor. Whoops, I'll just swap that over there so you can see me still and still see my page. And this is my page, and it's if I just take this up a notch, you can see my domain benjamesmentoring.com. It looks a lot better than any other affiliate link. Okay, so you can have that and simply forward whatever page you're promoting to that domain. Pretty easy to set up. There's YouTube videos about that. So you've got that, you've got your domain. If you don't want to get a domain, get a bit.ly link. Go to bit.ly, and then you grab that ugly looking, we copy that, we go to bit.ly. Okay, really easy, guys. This is a way to get started if you don't want to spend any money at all. But there's investment in online. You want to put some money in online, and you can just go here and create, paste your long in there, and away you go, and you get this short little bit.ly link there. Just copy it. There it is there. And if you want, you can actually put a name on that. Okay. And make it something a little more interesting. You could put in there health, weight loss tips, or something like that. Save a copy. So your link becomes shorter. It doesn't look as ugly. But again, if you're promoting on Facebook, create a page, create a profile. Now, what you want to start doing is learn as much about this product as well. I would even go as far as to say you need to buy the product. You need to buy this product. You really want to promote it? Buy it. Try it. Lose some weight with it. Make some reports on it. See how you go with it, and then give your reviews on it online. Start going on Facebook, posting pictures of yourself, maybe getting some results or some friends. Buy it, taste it. So what does it taste like? Does it make you feel more energy? Does it help you? And start putting these benefits out on posts on your Facebook. Maybe if you're confident in front of the camera, get on and do some live feeds and all that, and talk about it and hold it up and say, if you want to get it, just private message me, and I'll give you a special discounted link. Okay, where you can get the Oniqua flat fat tonic. But what you do is you have to add value on Facebook. Post. Don't get on there and spam your link everywhere, because not only that, Facebook might ban you. But what you got to do on there is just get on there, and you don't have to put yourself on camera. Start writing some stuff about the product. But I would highly suggest, you really want to promote a product and sell it successfully, you need to try it and buy it. That way you can honestly review it. You can talk about the benefits about it, maybe a couple of things that aren't so great, but you need to be honest about, yeah, it's a little bit expensive, but this, and this is great. And if you get in this discount link, it's even cheaper. And you need to just build your audience up slowly. And now this is a free method, guys. This might take you the next few months to build up. But in 3 to 6 months or even 12 months, you're making regular sales every month consistently. Once you build up that audience online, then you can scale up and move to paid options. You can do this via Facebook, or you can do it via YouTube by just making some videos. Okay, you can go on YouTube, make some videos, post them up, like start a channel called Bob's Weight Loss Tips, whatever you want to do there, and then create your video reviewing the product again, just talking about it. You don't have to put your face on camera. Just make sure it's your real voice talking about it on camera, and talk about the benefits of this flat belly tonic and what you've got out of it, how's it taste, and just do some honest reviews like that. And then put your affiliate link in the description there. Okay, so put your affiliate link. If I just go to here now, stop this, and down in here you'll see people that have got there. You've got your link down here. So if you want to learn how to master it, so you'd put your affiliate link, your bit.ly link down there. If you want to learn how to get a hold of this product, this is what you get people to click on, okay, if they watch your video. And you can build up your channel and your Facebook. It won't cost you a penny. and it will take some time, but it will start slow in the beginning, and then over time, over the next 3, 6, 12 months, you can build up a nice little affiliate commissions coming in, a couple $100 a day, $200 or $300 a day. You'll have $100 days, you'll have bigger days than others, depending on the season and the time of the year. But build this up and then stay consistent. Stay consistent. Just keep making videos. Make 1 or 2 videos a week, 1 or 2 or 3 posts a week on your Facebook profile. Build it up slowly but slowly. Stay consistent. Don't give up. And eventually you'll start seeing some sales come through. Now, this is the basic ABCs of affiliate marketing, how to start. If you've liked what I've told you today, guys, these are proven ways to do it. You've got to give people something of value first before you start making sales. Don't go spamming your link out there like a lot of people do and sit back and expect to make all this money. You've got to give something of value about that product. Now, if you're starting out, or maybe you're down the road a little bit, and you want to learn a lot more about how to really scale this up and earn, that $5,000 to $10,000 a month. To do it right, guys, I've given you the basics here today. To really do it right, you need to know about sales and marketing. It's a key strategy to know about, and it's not hard to learn. And once you know, you get a proven system, and how to learn how to sales and market and how to position yourself and how to get consistent sales, then that can really take your online ventures and affiliate marketing to the next level. If you're interested in that, my link's in the description. You're welcome to go. There's some free training there that Zach does for you on your behalf. There's no strings attached there. You just go in there, put your email in here, put your best email in there, and then I'll be on the next page just explaining a little bit about the training you're going to do. And then what you're going to do is you're going to see business about how 90% of the work is hard done for you. So if you want to cut the corners now while you're at the start and get in and get some free training, and eventually, if you like what you see, you can apply to join Zach's mentoring program, which I highly, highly suggest. And you can see how this guy's making 7 figures a year and how you can actually copy and piggyback off everything he knows that works online. Okay, you can piggyback off 100% free methods and the pay methods and use all these resources and everything to actually get you successfully a little more quicker. So this is going to fast track you. Anyway, go and get the free training first and see how you like that, okay? It's a bit of a taster. But yeah, today I hope you've enjoyed a little bit about what's in the video. Hope you've learned some things. Go and apply it. Be sure to click the link below if you'd like to. We'd happy to have you on board and give you some help. Comment below, ask some questions. I'm happy to have some feedback as well with you and give you a helping hand. You'll see in there my Facebook links in there as well if you want to go and join up with that. And you can contact me via there as well via Messenger if you've got any questions. More than happy to help you out, guys. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. And go ahead and take action. Take action. Go and start taking action. That's the main thing. Okay, thanks for listening. I'll see you on the next video.